Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about Chanel. Did you guys catch last week that there was another price increase? I'm sure you've seen it on Instagram and all the blogs, but yes, there was another Chanel price increase. I used to do a video every time there was one, but honestly it happens every year at least once. So I did get kind of bored of doing those videos, but this one just caught my attention again, and I do have a Chanel unboxing for you later in the video. So first let's talk about the new prices. All right, so there have been really extreme price increases in the past. I don't think this one was too bad. Do you guys remember during COVID and like right after COVID, they had some insane price increases that literally made everybody's jaw drop? These I think aren't too bad. They're all hovering around 4%. So let's talk about the WOC. It was $3,700. It's now $3,850. So that was a $150 increase. The mini bag, so we've got the square, that was $5,200, it's now $5,400. The mini rectangle was $5,400, now it's $5,600. The small classic flap was $10,900, it's now $11,300. And at this point, I don't know that I'd be buying a classic flap at the boutique anymore. I mean, they're basically double than what they were just a few years ago. So that's definitely a bag I would recommend buying pre-loved. Things have changed. It used to be that you bought a classic flap and it held its value and certain colorways sold above retail. I think right now you're not going to have the same kind of experience that you had a few years ago like that. So that's one I would recommend buying pre-loved. So the classic flap in the medium was $11,300. It's now $11,700. The large was $12,200. It's now $12,600. The maxi, $12,800 to $13,200. And then the 255, the reissue, it's going to follow the same pricing as the classic flap. Now the Chanel 22 also had a price increase, and all of the sizes went up by $200, so that was just like a flat increase across the board. The 19 handbag had an increase of $300 from $6,900 to $7,200, and so did the wallet on chain. It went up $100, so $4,300 to $4,400. This is another bag that I definitely recommend you buying pre-loved. I do see them selling for under retail at really great prices. So this is kind of like a bag that's lost a little bit of its like trendiness, but if you like it, it's still considered a classic, and you can find great deals online in beautiful colorways. The boy bag, again, another bag that I would recommend buying pre-loved, but this one had a small increase as well. The wallet on chain went up by $100. The small went up by $200, and so did the other two sizes. The Chanel 25 has also had a price increase. This is the bag that debuted last year and ever since has been one of the hottest bags from Chanel. The mini size is now $6,300, so that one also went up by $200. The small size went up by $300, so it's now $6,700. And then the medium also went up by $300, so it's now retailing for $7,000. So those are the bags that have increased in price. Not as crazy as price increases that we've seen in the past. These are just hovering around like 3–4%. Some of them a little bit less than that. I did mention some bags that I think are really great to buy pre-loved instead of in the boutique. You can find some in excellent condition at great prices, and it's something, you know, if you're budget conscious, to really think about. But I do have another option if you, again, are budget conscious or you love to follow trends, and let me grab what I want to unbox for you. All right, so there is a Chanel bag in here, and let me go ahead and unbox it. And inside, as you can see, it came from Vivrelle. Now, if you're not familiar with Vivrelle, it is a luxury membership closet where members can borrow luxury bags, accessories, and even jewelry on a monthly basis. And it's really great if you like to rotate your closet. So let me just go ahead and unbox this bag for you. Like, how pretty is that paper? This is what it looks like inside when you borrow something from Vivrelle. They included a really cute note. It says, "Hi, can't wait to see how you style your new borrow. Enjoy XOXO Vivrelle." And here is the little bag in the dust bag. All right, so let's go ahead and take the bag out of the dust bag, and it is a Chanel wallet on chain. Now this is a bag that I have thought about adding to my collection many times, and for whatever reason I ended up choosing something else, but it is a bag that I think about all the time. So I decided to borrow it from Vivrelle for my first borrow. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a luxury membership closet, and they have so many bags from so many different designers, including Chanel, that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and borrow the wallet on chain because maybe it is something that I would like to add to my closet, and I'm just gonna try it out and see how it works for me, which is not something that you could ever do. You can never just walk into a boutique and borrow something and see how you feel about it, and if it is something that you really do want to invest in, because these pieces are very expensive, and I hate buying a piece and regretting it later because it is an expensive regret. And the other thing that I wanted to say is I think it's a really great option because so many of these bags are trendy, and sometimes you want to take part in the trend and then you end up deciding to sell your bag. And oftentimes you do lose some money. So I think this is a great way to refresh your wardrobe every season, every year, stay on trend if that's something that's important to you, or even if you have like events coming up and you just want to borrow a nice wallet on chain to go with your dress or your gown or whatever it is. And then if you decide to buy it, you also can get special member pricing on the bag. So if you do want to keep the bag that you have, that is an option to consider. They've also very kindly given me a promo code to share with you. It's Laura Posse, and that gives you 1 month free off of your membership. So I will link down below, and I think I'll put a little icon here for you if you're watching on your TV, where you can check out their memberships, learn more about Vivrelle, and then you can use my promo code if you choose. Now, one of the reasons why I've been on the fence about buying the wallet on chain is because I do have my Chic Pearls bag, and I just kind of wondered if they would be a little too similar to have in my collection. Now, I mean, I think the Chic Pearls is very distinct because you do have the pearl detail there at the top. And the thing that I like about the wallet on chain is that you can easily use it as a clutch, which is kind of like my favorite thing about an event bag. I like having a nice little clutch, and you can't really do that as much with this. I mean, you could, but you'll have the chain hanging, whereas this you can tuck the chain inside. Now inside you do have the chain for the bag. This is not detachable. I know some other brands, if you have a wallet on chain, you can remove it, but not on this Chanel version that I have here. Inside you do have 6 card slots, and you do have a little pocket in the front as well as a zip compartment. And then on the back you have the classic Mona Lisa pocket. I really love the caviar leather on this too. It feels just very soft, luxurious, and supple. And I think inside is like the perfect amount of space. Let me go ahead and get some things in here so that we can see what fits. Now, first things first, my iPhone. This is going to fit inside no problem. This is the regular iPhone Pro, but I do think it will fit an iPhone Pro Max. I do have a little card holder, which honestly I would probably skip and use the card slots, but if you want to see how that fits inside no problem. I also have this adorable little compact from Dior. This is from the new summer collection. I'll be doing another video on this, but I love it. I was able to pick up the last one inside the boutique today and really happy. So that fits inside perfectly as well. I also have a little lipstick, tampon, and probably last but not least would be my keys. Now, if I'm going to an event with my husband, I'm going to be making him carry the keys probably, but if I'm flying solo, then I will just probably take, like, I have a set where it's just my one key, and that fits in there just fine. So that's everything in there. I mean, it fits all of the essentials. I think it's like the perfect size. Again, you can wear it as like a little clutch, and just close it. Okay, so that closed perfectly. And yeah, it fits all of the essentials. I'm gonna give this a try, see how I feel about it, but I'm really glad that I was able to borrow it and try it out with Vivrelle first to see if it's something that I really want. Maybe I'll pick it up in a different color, but how pretty is that? I just love the Chanel wallet on chain. It's such a classic. So I'm really glad to try this as my first borrow from Vivrelle. And if you guys like this video, I hope that you give it a thumbs up. If you really liked it, I hope that you hype it. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.